Your home is more than just a place to live, it's a reflection of your style, personality, and creativity. Whether you prefer modern minimalism, timeless elegance, or luxurious sophistication, the right interior design can transform your space into a stunning masterpiece. In this video, we'll explore stylish and elegant home decoration concepts to help you elevate every corner of your home with grace and charm. Let's dive in. The art of balanced design. Elegance in home decor is all about balance and harmony. To achieve a sophisticated look, choose a cohesive color palette with soft neutrals, muted tones, or rich jewel shades. Blend textures and materials like velvet, silk, marble, and wood for depth and character. Embrace symmetry, balanced furniture arrangements and well-placed decor create a sense of order and refinement. A home that feels well-curated and thoughtfully designed exudes effortless elegance. Luxurious living room decor. The living room is the heart of the home, make it stylish yet inviting. Heavy checkmark invest in statement furniture like a sleek sofa, a designer coffee table, or elegant accent chairs. Heavy checkmark layer textures with plush rugs, cozy throws, and decorative pillows for warmth and sophistication. Heavy checkmark incorporate artistic elements, a striking chandelier, oversized artwork, or sculptural decor can instantly elevate the space. Heavy checkmark use ambient lighting with a mix of floor lamps, sconces, and candles to create a refined atmosphere. A well-decorated living room should be both visually stunning and welcoming. Sophisticated bedroom design. Your bedroom should be a luxurious retreat, a space of comfort and tranquility. Sparkles opt for high-quality bedding with soft linens, fluffy duvets, and elegant cushions. Sparkles choose a stylish headboard, whether upholstered, wooden, or tufted, it becomes a focal point. Sparkles incorporate subtle lighting, wall sconces, pendant lights, and bedside lamps add a touch of charm. Sparkles keep it clutter-free, minimal decor and smart storage solutions maintain a serene aesthetic. A beautiful bedroom is a sanctuary that promotes relaxation and peace. Dining room elegance. Dining spaces should be both functional and elegant, perfect for both everyday meals and special gatherings. Fork and knife with plate. A statement dining table, wood, glass, or marble, sets the tone for the room. Fork and knife with plate. Elegant dining chairs and luxurious fabrics like velvet or leather enhance comfort and style. Fork and knife with plate. A centerpiece arrangement, fresh flowers, candles, or decorative trays, add sophistication. Fork and knife with plate. Layered lighting, a chandelier above the table with accent lights creates a warm ambience. With the right elements, your dining area can feel effortlessly luxurious. Elevating your home with stylish and elegant decor is all about blending beauty, function, and personality. From sophisticated living spaces to cozy bedrooms and elegant dining rooms, these home decoration concepts will inspire you to create a space that truly feels luxurious. Which home decor idea is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more interior design inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.